So you finally received your Cognizant BGV link. You got access to the OneCognizant portal, but your dashboard is still blank and your exact date of joining is nowhere to be found. HR is telling you to wait, but as a software engineers, we don't wait. Today I am going to show you a literal developer hack using the browser's inspect tool to look behind the OneCognizant portal code and find your exact hidden DOJ, your work location, and your internal BGV status before HR even sends the intimation email. First things first, you need to log in into OneCognizant portal. Cognizant takes security very seriously, so you will go through a strict two-step verification process. You will need to enter the OTP sent to your registered email and then approve the login using the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone. Make sure you have both ready. Once you successfully logged in and looking at the main dashboard, the magic begins. Now we are going to look at the raw data the server is sending to your browser. Right click anywhere on the blank space of portal and click inspect. If you like shortcuts, just press F12 or Control plus Shift plus I. A developer panel will open up on the right side. At the top of this panel, click on the network tab. Next, click on the Fetch XHR filter. This removes all the images and junk and only shows the pure data coming from the APIs. Finally, it refresh on your browser page to capture the data packets. Now look at the list of files loading on the left side of that panel. Scroll down and click on the file named Bindprogressbar. Once you click it, look at the right and click on Response or Preview tab. Now look at the list of files loading on the left side of that panel. Scroll down and click on the file named Bindprogressbar. Once you click it, look at the right and click on Response or Review tab. You are now looking at the raw JSON code for your profile. Look closely at the text. You will see internal milestones. If your BGV is cleared in backend, you will literally see the code says background verification good to go for onboarding with a milestone percentage 100%. This means you passed the BGV trap successfully. But we are not done. We want exact date of joining. Go back to the file list and look for the file named FetchCandidatedetails. Click it, open the response tab. Scroll through that line of code. You will see your candidate ID, your name, email, and boom, right there next to DOJ. You will see the exact date of joining coded into the system along with your work location city like Chennai or Pune. The portal just isn't updated to show you visually yet. If you are an LOI candidate still waiting for your offer letter, save this video right now. You will need to exit the moment you get the portal access to confirm your timeline. Drop a comment below if you found your hidden DOJ using this method. Subscribe to Ray Tech for best corporate hacks, and I will see you in the next video.